In the world of Silicon Valley startups, there's a fine line between innovation and deception. This is the story of uBiome, a company that promised to revolutionize healthcare by analyzing the bacteria in your gut, but instead delivered one of the most brazen frauds in biotech history. It all began in 2012, when Jessica Richman and Zachary App launched uBiome with a compelling vision, democratizing access to microbiome testing. Their products, SmartGut and SmartJane, claimed to offer groundbreaking insights into your health through simple at-home testing kits. The pitch was irresistible: understand your body like never before, all through the power of your gut bacteria. Investors couldn't throw money at them fast enough. Y Combinator, Andreessen Horowitz, and 8VC, some of the biggest names in venture capital, poured in over $100 million. uBiome was the darling of the biotech world, and its founders were celebrated as visionary entrepreneurs. But beneath the surface, something far more sinister was brewing. The company had developed a massive billing scheme that would make even the most hardened fraudsters blush. They were billing insurance companies repeatedly for the same tests, up to $2,970 each, often without patient consent. Doctors were pressured to approve tests with barely a glance at patient records. The numbers were staggering: over $300 million in insurance claims, resulting in more than $35 million in fraudulent payments. The house of cards began to collapse in April 2019 when FBI agents raided uBiome's San Francisco headquarters. What they uncovered was shocking. Not only was the billing fraud extensive, but the deception went deeper than anyone imagined. Jessica Richman, it turned out, had even lied about her age to get on Forbes' prestigious 30 Under 30 list. She was actually in her 40s. While the company was telling investors everything was fine, the founders were quietly selling off more than $12 million of their personal stock. And when the truth finally came crashing down and uBiome filed for bankruptcy, Richman and App did what many fraudsters do: they ran. Today, they're FBI fugitives, wanted for securities fraud, healthcare fraud, and money laundering. The irony? A company that promised to help people trust their gut ended up being one of the most untrustworthy startups in Silicon Valley history. uBiome joined the ranks of infamous biotech frauds like Theranos, proving once again that in the world of startups, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. This cautionary tale reminds us that behind the glossy presentations and revolutionary promises, sometimes the biggest breakthroughs are just elaborate breakdowns waiting to happen. uBiome didn't just test gut bacteria, it tested the limits of how far startup founders would go to maintain their Silicon Valley dreams, even if it meant living a lie.